Beautiful river. It is one of the longest river. It is one of the largest river in the world. It is a beautiful river. People living on the bank of Brahmaputra traditionally do not worship on the bank of the Brahmaputra and do not throw the worship garbage into the river. So it is comparatively clean river than the Ganges, one of the dirtiest river in the world. Brahmaputra, comparatively clean and beautiful river, and it is more beautiful in Tibet and less wider in Tibet. It is an international river. It is a transboundary river flowing through China, India and Bangladesh. Brahmaputra, the source of the Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, in the mountains of Himalayas and the mountains of and northern parts of the Himalayas of Kailash Range mountain. It should not be mistaken as the Mansarovar lake or only Kailash mountain is the source of Brahmaputra. It is not true. The source of the Brahmaputra is a glacier far away from the Kailash or Mansarovar lake. The source is a glacier and the name of the glacier is Angsi Glacier. From the glacier, it flows towards east direction through the mountainous areas in Tibet, and local people call it Sangpo. Tibetan people call it Sangpo River, and official Chinese name is Yarlang Jangbo. People, tourists from different countries comes to Tibet to enjoy the scenic beauty of the Yarlang Jangbo and the mountain area, Himalayan mountain area in Tibet. Ningxi is a very beautiful small city on the bank of the Brahmaputra in Tibet. It is well connected. The city is well connected with highways and high-speed trains. The Brahmaputra flows around 900 kilometers in Tibet, and in Grand Canyon area it turns towards south direction with a great bend. After the great bend, the river enters into India, and the place where it enters India is Tuting in Arunachal Pradesh, Tuting or Yangkyong. The name of the Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh is Siang or Dihang. After 300 kilometers, it enters into Assam in Kobusapuri, Dhemaji districts. Kobusapuri is the junction of three rivers. The two other rivers are Dibang and Lohit. Naturally, the volume of water becomes larger from that point. The Brahmaputra merges with two other rivers in Kobusapuri and begins to flow towards west direction in Assam. In China it flows towards east direction, and in Assam it flows towards west direction. It flows through the plains and valleys of Assam and enters into Bangladesh in Dhubri district. As soon as the river enters into Bangladesh, the name of the river is Jamuna. The river is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh. It flows around 900 kilometers in Bangladesh. And the river Ganga river enters into Bangladesh, and the Ganga is known in Bangladesh as Padda or Padma. Our Brahmaputra, the Brahmaputra river merging with the Padda becomes Meghna. The very next part is known as Meghna. And finally this Meghna merges with the in the sea, emptying into Bay of Bengal. So the total area from Angsi Glacier in Tibet to Bay of Bengal is around 3,000 kilometers. The people living on the bank of Brahmaputra is very much dependent on the river. Since Brahmaputra is flowing in Tibet and Arunachal Pradesh through mountain or hilly areas, it is not thickly populated. Its banks are not thickly populated. But in Assam and Bangladesh, around 3 crores people are living on its bank, and directly and indirectly they are dependent on the river. In Assam, the trade, communication, history, tradition, agriculture, many fields are deeply rooted with the river. So the river is called the lifeline of Assam. And Brahmaputra is the sole, the only river revered as the male river. Male river. It is the only male river in the earth.